Taking a new direction, a journey in language learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a common phrase that often pops up in conversations and writings: take a new direction. This phrase is not only rich in meaning but also very versatile. Understanding it can help you express yourself more clearly in English. Let's explore together what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations and writing. The phrase, take a new direction, is a figurative way of saying that someone decides to change their course, approach, or focus in life, work, or any other context. It suggests a significant change from the previous path towards a new goal or method. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal life changes, career shifts, to changes in opinions or plans. Examples in sentences: after years in marketing, she decided to take a new direction and pursue a career in art. The company took a new direction after they realized their current strategy wasn't working. Change is a constant part of our lives, and the ability to take a new direction symbolizes flexibility and adaptability. It reflects the courage to step out of comfort zones and pursue new opportunities or solve problems differently. This phrase embodies the essence of growth and transformation. Why it's important: embraces personal and professional growth, encourages adaptability and resilience, opens up new opportunities and possibilities. You can use this phrase when you want to discuss changes in life decisions, career paths, or strategies. It's helpful in conversations about personal development, planning, and reflecting on past actions to make future improvements. Conversation examples: I've been thinking a lot lately, and I feel it's time for me to take a new direction in my career. Our project wasn't as successful as we hoped, so we're considering taking a new direction with our approach. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and usage of take a new direction. Remember, change is a natural part of life, and this phrase beautifully captures the essence of making transformative decisions. We hope this video helps you in understanding and using the phrase confidently in your English communications. Stay curious, and never hesitate to take a new direction in your learning journey. See you in the next video.